My dear brothers and sisters, we all know that Jesus spent just 33 years of his life on this earth. And from it, 30 years he spent a hidden life at home, doing ordinary course and helping his foster father Joseph in his carpentry work. And 3 years he spent in public life, where he went from place to place proclaiming the good news. He not only proclaimed the good news, he also proclaimed it by his actions. And so he worked a number of miracles, out of which only about 37 are known to us. But I'm sure that every place he went, every day, there were miracles which he performed. And St. John narrates just 7 miracles which Jesus performed. And he calls them signs. And Jesus will call the miracles works. There were signs for John because through this miracle, Jesus proclaimed who he was, his identity. It's interesting to note that there was what do you use the word? What Jesus spoke was seen in his actions. There was no dichotomy between his words and his actions. They were always complementing each other. What was required from the people was faith. And most of the miracles just performed were just in front of him. A blind man, then a lame person, and so on. He just spoke a word and they were healed. There were few which were performed when the person was far, far away. At today's gospel passage, you heard about a miracle just performed, but the person was not in front of him, far, far away. What was required was faith. In this case, the man believed even before his child became better or child recovered. He says seeing is believing. Is believing also seeing? I think so. We ask for grace today to believe that when we ask for anything which is good for us, God will surely give it to us. And when we believe and believe, God listens to our prayers and our faith gets strengthened.